One of the values that HPM brings to the table is our flexibility and our ability to adapt as we work with clients. We're able to take our history and knowledge in the industry and apply those directly to meet our clients' needs.
So we come in and stand in as the owner's representative, as an expert in construction, and can help plan the logistics of a project during design and help think through the way a contractor is actually going to build the project, to be able to design a building as constructible as possible to allow the project to receive the most value from a budgeting standpoint, from a scheduling standpoint, and just help the project be successful as a whole.
I've been with HPM working on the UA assignment for 3 years now. HPM at the University of Alabama is just one arm of the company, and we can, as an entire company, provide lots of resources and expertise. We can pull from pre-construction services when we need those services. And so it's not just about what the personnel on site offer, but we offer the resources of a company as a whole.
In program management, one of the things that makes the project more personal is being able to connect with the end user, establishing a relationship that may span years. As you move from one project to the next, really getting to know the end user, starting to understand what's most important to them, and just being able to represent them in situations where they may not be present. So I think that's HPM program management as a whole, being able to connect and be a true owner representative throughout the building process, from programming, design, and construction.
The value that we bring to the table is, we are here every day. They entrusted us with these large capital projects and the success of those large capital projects, that we're going to do what we say we're going to do. We have a different mindset. We were formed from a construction company, and we know how to get things done and deliver a project that they can basically throw their hands up and say, this is what I wanted, this is exactly what I wanted, y'all make it look easy.
People that I get to work with every day is really what makes it so exciting to come to work every day, because I know I'm going to be challenged through the work that I'm doing, and I'm surrounded by people of integrity that truly care about the work that they're executing. And we have a very diverse portfolio. We have a long-standing history in higher education. We have a long-standing history in K through 12, but we can modify the processes and methods and techniques that we use to essentially serve any client that has a need for project management, for an owner's representative, for a construction manager, and we do that.